Do you know how to use your credit card responsibly? It's a question that may seem simple but can have a profound impact on your financial health. Responsible credit card usage is more than just paying off your bills on time. It's about understanding the intricacies of credit terms, recognizing the potential fees, and leveraging the benefits that come with your card. Credit cards can be powerful financial tools, offering convenience, rewards, and the ability to build a strong credit history. But they can also lead you into a maze of debt and a downward spiral of a bad credit score if not handled with care. Mishandling your credit card can lead to consequences that stretch far beyond your wallet. It can affect your ability to secure a loan, buy a house, or even land a job. So, how can you avoid these pitfalls and use your credit card responsibly? Let's find out. First things first, it's crucial to understand your credit card. Dive into the world of credit cards and you'll find a sea of terms that might seem complex at first. But fear not, let's break them down, one by one. Let's start with the credit limit. This is the maximum amount that your card issuer allows you to borrow. It's like a personal loan that's always accessible, but remember, it's not free money, it's a liability that you need to repay. Next is interest rates. This is the cost of borrowing money and is usually expressed as a yearly percentage of the amount borrowed. So, if you don't pay your bill in full by the due date, you'll accrue interest on the remaining balance. Then comes the grace period. This is a set number of days during which you can pay your credit card bill without incurring interest. It's like a small window of opportunity for you to pay back without any extra charges. Minimum payment is another essential term. It's the smallest amount you can pay on your credit card bill to keep your account in good standing. But remember, paying only the minimum means you'll carry the rest of your balance into the next month, which could lead to more interest. Now let's talk about credit score. It's a numerical representation of your creditworthiness based on your credit history. The higher the score, the more likely you are to get approved for loans or receive lower interest rates. Regular, responsible use of your credit card can help boost your credit score. On the flip side, irresponsible use like missing payments or maxing out your credit limit can harm your credit score, so it's essential to use your credit card wisely. And finally, let's not forget the fees. These are the charges you might have to pay for using the card, like annual fees, late payment fees, or foreign transaction fees. It's always a good idea to read the fine print to avoid any surprise charges. Now that you're familiar with these terms, let's move on to some practical tips. The first rule of responsible credit card usage is to always pay your bills on time. This isn't just a suggestion, it's the golden commandment. It's essential to understand that timely payment of bills isn't just about avoiding late fees. It goes beyond that, significantly impacting your credit score. Your credit score, a numerical expression based on your credit history, is a critical factor that lenders consider when determining whether to extend credit to you. Late payments can severely dent your credit score, making it harder for you to access loans or other forms of credit in the future. Now let's talk about the concept of the minimum payment. Credit card companies often allow you to make a minimum payment on your balance each month. It may seem like an attractive option, especially when money is tight. However, making only the minimum payment can be a slippery slope. It can lead to mounting interest charges and an ever-increasing balance. The minimum payment is just that, the bare minimum. It covers the interest and a small portion of the principal balance. The rest of your balance continues to accrue interest, and before you know it, you're in a deep hole of debt. So, it's always a good idea to pay more than the minimum due, ideally the full balance each month. To ensure you never miss a payment, consider setting up automatic payments. If that's not an option, set reminders on your phone or mark the due dates on your calendar. This way, you'll always be aware of when your payments are due, helping you avoid late fees and maintain a healthy credit score. Another tip is to keep track of your spending. It's easy to swipe your card and forget about it, but those small purchases can quickly add up. Regularly reviewing your statements can help you stay on top of your spending and ensure you're not living beyond your means. Remember, timely payment of bills is a cornerstone of responsible credit card usage. So keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to a healthy financial future. Next, keep your credit utilization low. This is one of the most crucial tips for responsible credit card usage. But what exactly does it mean? Well, credit utilization is essentially the percentage of your available credit that you're using at any given time. It's a key component in the calculation of your credit score. Imagine your credit limit as a swimming pool. The more of it you fill up, the closer you are to drowning in debt. Your credit utilization ratio is like the water level in that pool. Keep it low, and you'll be able to comfortably swim around. but let it rise too high and you might find yourself struggling to stay afloat. So, how do you keep this ratio low? One effective way is by spreading out your expenses across multiple credit cards. This way, you're not overloading a single credit limit and can keep your utilization on each card low. However, be cautious not to open too many credit cards at once, as it can be difficult to manage and may have a negative impact on your credit score. Another strategy is to make multiple payments throughout the month. Instead of waiting for your statement to arrive before making a payment, consider paying off your credit card balance every couple of weeks. This can help keep your balance low and thus your credit utilization ratio low as well. Also, if possible, try to increase your credit limit. But remember, this doesn't mean you should spend more. It's like expanding your swimming pool. The water level goes down, but the amount of water remains the same. In essence, the key is to be mindful of your spending habits and to keep your balance as low as possible compared to your overall credit limit. It's not just about paying off your balance in full each month, but also about how much of your available credit you're using at any given time. By keeping your credit utilization low, you can significantly improve your credit score. This not only makes you more attractive to lenders, but also gives you more financial freedom and peace of mind. So, dive in, but remember to keep the water level in check. Another important tip is to use your credit card benefits wisely. Credit cards are not just a tool for spending, but also a way to earn. Many cards offer a wealth of benefits such as cashback, reward points, and travel perks, to name a few. But how can we maximize these benefits without falling into the trap of overspending? Firstly, it's crucial to understand what benefits your card offers. For example, if your card offers cashback on grocery shopping, make sure to use it for that purpose. However, don't be tempted to buy more groceries than you need just to earn more cashback. Remember, the aim is to save money, not spend more. Reward points are another common benefit. You can earn points for every dollar you spend and redeem them for various rewards. However, it's essential to remember that these rewards are not a reason to overspend. It's better to view them as a nice bonus for the spending you were planning to do anyway. Some credit cards offer travel perks such as airline miles or hotel points. If you're a frequent traveler, these perks can save you a significant amount of money. But again, don't be tempted to spend more just to earn these perks. Use your card for your regular spending and let the perks accumulate over time. It's also worth noting that many credit cards come with additional benefits, such as extended warranty on purchases, insurance coverage, and even concierge services. Make sure to familiarize yourself with these benefits and use them when necessary. Lastly, always pay attention to any changes in your credit card's rewards program. Credit card issuers can and do change their reward structures, and what was once a great deal might not be so great anymore. Keep an eye on any changes and adjust your spending habits accordingly. By using your credit card benefits wisely, you can make your credit card work for you. Remember, the key to responsible credit card usage is not just about how much you spend, but also about how you spend. Make your credit card a tool for saving, not just spending. To sum it up, responsible credit card usage involves understanding your credit card, paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and using your credit card benefits wisely. We've journeyed together through the labyrinth of credit card terms, fees, and benefits. We've explored how to navigate this complex terrain responsibly, making sure we're not just spending but also building a robust financial foundation. Let's recap. Understanding the fine print of your credit card is paramount. It's crucial to pay your bills on time to avoid late fees and maintain a good credit score. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally less than 30% of your credit limit. And remember, your card's benefits are there for you to use wisely. The essence of responsible credit card usage is not just about spending, it's about financial growth and stability. Remember, a credit card is a tool. Use it responsibly, and it can help you build a solid financial future.